from here with those temperatures.
Good news.
So in the extended forecast, you will peak into next week.
Uh-oh.
With daytime highs in the teens and overnight lows in the single digits and wind chills way below zero.
I don't know if I want to hear that part of your forecast, actually.
Let's talk about what's happening first. So we're gearing up for another system that's making its way through the upper Midwest. The light blue that you see there and the dark blue, those are winter storm warnings and watches, and those are in effect all the way up into the upper Great Lakes. Our wind advisory was allowed to expire earlier in the afternoon, and now we still have some gusty winds, but it's not as strong as it was earlier in the day. Just a couple of light flurries showing up in southern Ohio right now, not amounting to much, but kind of floating around in the air a little bit. Columbus is relatively dry. During the day today, we made it to 39 degrees. We were 2 degrees above average for this time of the year. Steely gray sky out there right now, and lots of clouds. It's 35 degrees. Feels like 26 because of the wind out of the southwest at 14 miles per hour. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Logan and Athens both at 35. Chillicothe is down to 34. London and Courthouse at 32. And the wind chills already falling into the 20s for a lot of central Ohio. So during the night tonight, there's another low pressure center that's going to scoot through Ohio, mainly in northwestern Ohio. But that's going to bring a few just on and off snow showers into the northern half of the state. They will move through quickly. Not going to leave much behind, but you might find a few slick spots on some of the roads north of town. So 71, 315, 23 may all have a few slick spots early tomorrow morning. South of town, we're staying mainly dry. So cloudy and windy overnight tonight, a few snow showers mainly to the north, and 30 for your overnight low. By tomorrow morning, there's that low pressure center. It's going to move off to the northeast. We get a little bit of a break during the second half of your Thursday. Might even get a little sunshine to break through in the afternoon. But the next system is on its way. It'll get here on Friday. So by early Friday morning, it's starting to push rain up the Ohio River, and by midday, some of that gets into Columbus with a few snow showers to start with, but then lots of rain. And the wind is going to be howling again with this system. So it's rain during most of the day on Friday, then it turns into some snow Friday night into Saturday. Let's get through tomorrow morning first. So by midday tomorrow, there's that snow across northern Ohio. We'll talk about snowfall numbers for Saturday coming up in the next day or so. But in the meantime, let's get through tomorrow first. Temperatures pretty close to freezing in the morning, and then into the 40-degree range by the later part of the afternoon. So bundle up at the bus stop. Still going to be breezy. Temperatures will feel like they're in the 20s. The actual air temperatures right around the freezing mark, and then getting to 40s in the afternoon, staying mostly cloudy during the day. So after those snow showers go through early in the morning, then you're looking at some partial clearing in the afternoon. Highs around 41 degrees, putting us just a little bit above average. Friday, windy again with rain and downpours. Friday night into Saturday, that turns into some snow showers. Wind gusts during the day, 40 miles an hour or more, but it's a warm 48 for the high. Then on Saturday, snow showers. Some of that may accumulate, and we are looking at the potential for some blowing and drifting with the strong winds there. 31 during the day, falling into the teens overnight. Sunday, a high near 24 degrees, and Monday is Martin Luther King Day. That needs to move over here. Monday is Martin Luther King Day, a high of only 17 degrees, and overnight lows down to 4.